What's up, traders? This is Marco. We have Friday the 7th of June and I had a little break, but finally I'm back because my personal stuff is clearing up, so I find more time to make those videos again. Usually on Fridays I did bar by bars. You will get something much better today, and I will show you a part of my trading. I will give you a quick recap until that moment, and of course showing you the trade at the end of the video. So let's get to it. Today there was a news event at 7:30. You can see it here. There was a huge spike up and a drop after that. We're dropping so hard here and below the EMA that prices could not even pull back to the EMA. So prices continued dropping lower, formed a shorter term downtrend here. We had a break of this downtrend and retest of the extremes, and then prices seemed to find support. So I took this low and connected it with the next two swings that prices gave me, and I found this uptrend here. You can see there was some resistance coming up. That's why I drew this line, because prices could not break through this level here and needed a couple of attempts to get through it. So no trade here, even though this one looks interesting as a long trade. So prices trended higher here when going up in this shorter term channel and breaking this channel. Unfortunately here also not a trade, because this bar is not entirely back to the key entry point and EMA, so it's a bit too high, so we had to wait here. Price is making a retest of the extremes of this uptrend here and going higher and touching now our key entry point, unfortunately not the EMA, and it's only a first entry long, so nothing to consider here. Going higher, and this is the market opening. Prices broke this uptrend here for the first time, forming also at the same time the shorter term downtrend here, having a break and going sideways here a bit, but prices making a new extreme, so this downtrend here played out and prices go sideways even more. You can see the shorter term channels here playing out, and then prices made a double test here, but this bar is finishing directly in the middle of the range and this looks very congested, so nothing to consider here taking a trade in the middle of the range. If this bar, for example, closed a bit lower here, then maybe to consider, but like this, not really. Prices go sideways, and you can see we're making higher lows here on each swing. So I located this green uptrend here, took this low, connected the swings, and I had this uptrend. And you can see prices are trending within this channel here, bouncing back to the key entry point. No setup. Going higher here and finding some resistance at this level here. Breaking this uptrend for the first time. You can see prices are dropping here. Shorter term downtrend with a break new extreme. Still, I want to see a retest of this uptrend, and at this moment my bias was still to the long side, so I was waiting here. Prices dropped shortly below the EMA, but coming back, pushing strongly above, but you can see there is some resistance here. Prices cannot manage to break through this resistance, so I drew this very strong blue line here as a warning, and you can see there are like a couple of bounces back and forth, getting some smaller range here, but then you can see there is a triple test. Prices made this new low here, tested it once, tested it twice, directly at the EMA with a very strong bullish bar. I didn't take this trade because I didn't see the chart at this moment, but I marked it, and if you took it, I think it's fine. it's a good place here to take a possibility and taking along. There's enough space to scalp out until the highs here. And usually I want to see a clear new high of this previous uptrend here. So the context is playing in our hands. And yeah, unfortunately I didn't take. You can see prices trending higher. And then finally there's another test here of the EMA and this support, and prices are finally able to push higher, break through this resistance, and the consequence is that prices are trending higher, and all the shorts here have to cover their positions. So yeah, prices trending higher, going sideways, and I found this uptrend here from this low, connected these swings, and I really liked this uptrend and waited for prices to come back to my key entry point. Prices going sideways here now, so this looks a bit congestive, but then suddenly you can see here prices are trending down in the shorter term downtrend here, giving us a second entry long, a triple test right of the EMA, right of the key entry point. There is enough space to scalp out, but surely if prices manage to break above this point here, we will see a shoot up. And this is a trade that I took, and I will show you the live trade of this specific trade just now. So I will click on play here. You can see I had this uptrend and I placed my limit order, and we got filled here, putting the stop loss one tick below the signal bar, and you can see prices are approaching the last highs here, and once we break through this level we will see a boost higher because all the shorts have to cover, and you can see prices go through our target. I moved the stop loss on break even, and this was my winning trade for the day. Unfortunately the runner did not hit because we got stopped out. Still, it's a very tight area here, so yeah, for a runner it's hard to survive in such conditions. And let me show you what happened after that. We had a huge boost higher here. You can see prices really trended higher, far above the EMA, making new highs of the shorter term uptrend here, and then now trending lower a bit. So I'm drawing a channel here that looks right to me. Maybe even there is something bigger in play, something like this, with a potential break now and retest of the extremes. So yeah, that's it for today so far. This was my live trade. I copied this trade on all my accounts, and you could see the profit of $312. You can multiply this with the amount of accounts that you have, and usually after one trade I'm done for the day. But I wanted to give you a quick recap what I did, what I saw, why I took this trade. And if you want to learn to trade like this, visit our homepage topicktrading.com. We have a very detailed program going through all these like rules. And yeah, that's it for now. I wish you a great weekend, and such videos will show up more often now. So I hope you enjoy it. Give me a small feedback if this is fine like I did, or if you want to see something else. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you until next time.